Hello everyone, my name is Manisha Badola and welcome to my YouTube channel MB's World. Light being an integral part of Diwali, today I'm going to share with you yet another tea light holder which is very simple to make and very beautiful to look at. Now in continuation to this video, I'm going to post another video on how to make a satin bow. So please keep watching. In my last tutorial, I showed you how to make a tea light holder with the help of just a jute thread and a cup. So in the same similar way, I had made another one out of this glass. Okay, so if you see, this fits in well. So I'm going to show you a different way of decorating this tea light holder today. Okay, for this I'll be using some disposable spoons. Of course, I've got a lot of them. I'm just showing you different kind of spoons here. I'll be using fabric color. This is camel fabric color, metallic color, and a flat brush of number 4. Now, if you see, I've placed two different kind of disposable spoons here. If you see this one, this is very flexible. The white disposable spoon is really flexible. Normally, will not be very comfortable eating with the help of this one. However, this is very sturdy and very good. But this is not really good for craft. Now, why I'm sharing this? Because I had made a similar mistake in the past. So I thought, why not, share the mistakes with you also, so that you do not have to, repeat the mistakes. So if I try to cut it, let's see, this is very good material and very sturdy. However, not good for craft. So let's see. If I try to cut it with the help of scissor, did you see that? I was not able to cut it properly. Okay, so the good disposable spoon is not really helping me out. Now if I actually cut this one, do you see? So this is good for craft material. So please buy the right ones for yourself. Now take the disposable spoons and color them with the help of this metallic fabric color. So you'll have to apply 2 coats. These are the disposable spoons that are already colored. Place this particular holder to make a shape. Now we'll just cut it along. I'm just going to color. Keep it aside, let it dry. Let's take this tea holder now and just color it. Now this is dry. And your tea light candle holder is ready. So let's see. You can also use this to place the goodies. If you've liked my video today, please like, share and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for latest notifications on videos posted by me. Please keep watching. And don't forget to watch the next video on how to tie a satin bow. Bye-bye.